Today we're here at Seaside, parked illegally on the sidewalk in the fire lane with the 1970 Volkswagen Porsche Speedster. So last time you done me was good. We'll go a little slower today. 1970 Volkswagen Bug, converted to electric, utilizing Tesla modules, motorcycles in the distance, Hyper 9 motor, SME controller, DC-DC converter from Elcon, Thunderstruck charger, and a computer cooling system. That's the basic system in the car. Take a look at it. Under the hood, onto the bonnet of the car. We call it a hood up here. We have a standard custom enclosure, which houses, I believe, 3 of our 5 Tesla modules. Also use the lithium designs BMS to control the Hyper 9 unit, which is hooked up to the Volkswagen transmission, which has first and second gear and reverse eliminated and has only a 2-speed transmission utilizing 3rd and 4th gears only, or high and low, and with custom ratios to match the tire diameter and your driving specifications. Next, behind the door, door number 1, you have the interior. Replica gauges, retro sound radio, reproduction shift knob for, well, a high and low speed transmission, 2-speed transmission, a gas pedal, a clutch pedal and brake pedal, and a custom Hyper 9 SME display giving us information and diagnostics about what's going on. I also have a custom array of 4 switches there giving us forward and reverse, regen profiles, charge profile for 110 or 220, and a heater. Hood, interior, trunk. Okay, it's the engine compartment. Okay, it's the motor compartment. In the motor compartment, we have our custom CNC top contactor box. We have our DC to DC converter. We've got our Hyper 9 motor with 175 foot-pounds of torque and 120 horsepower, 6,500 RPM limit, and about a 750 amps maximum. We're running it at 125 volts. Next to that, we've got our AC-DC charger. That's what converts the AC power out of your wall into the DC power to power up and charge your battery. And finally, we have our SME controller sitting on top of our custom cooling block that takes the DC power in, turns it into AC, and sends it off to the motor. Last thing on the car, most important thing on the car. You got, wait for it. Okay, there it is. J1772 charging port.
What are we doing now?
Ice cream. Right. Key on.
Key on.
Brake. Back. Forward. That's reverse. That's forward. There we go. Woo. Punch it. Boost. 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 Almost lost it. Woohoo! High gear. Oh yeah. Oh, high gear. There you go. That was neutral. False neutral. Swoosh. Wind noise.
Yeah, see, the lob actually blocks most of that out.
Honda! It's a Honda! Hear the sound of the exhaust! Woohoo! Yeah! So hey, if you haven't, like and subscribe, ring that bell, and links in the description. So we're gonna close this out right now. That's it. Video's over. What car do you want to see converted in a kit car form? Comment below. Come on, Bradley GT. Let's convert an Avenger GT40. Let's convert a GT2. Get a windshield. Let's convert a Myers Manx. Let's convert a
Porsche 904?
No.
Yeah. Back 904?
No.
Why? Those are cool.
Glockenspider. There's a conversion you want. Glockenspiders. Ooh, 917 laser.
Ooh.
Ooh.